Hi everyone, Jonathan here with Braille Tips, and today I'm going to show you the advanced way to do substitutions in Braille2000. And the advanced way has to do with doing the substitutions when you paste in text from a file, and this would probably work with NIMAs too, but I don't have any NIMAs files to test this with. So I will show you how to do it by pasting in code from Word. So here I have a file on the left in Microsoft Word that has it's been formatted a little bit. Let's see here. That should be in Nemeth. Oh, my macro's not working. What's going on here? Real prep. There we go. Okay, so on the left here, I've got a file, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste into Braille2000. And we gotta give it a minute because it takes a minute. There it goes. Control home. Control home. Okay, it's still thinking. Sometimes it takes a minute. I'll edit this out. Probably. So, going back to the beginning here, you can see it's got this funny diamond, which comes through as this and number X2666 code thing, but it shows up in print view as a diamond. So Braille2000 sort of knows what it is, but there's not actually a Braille symbol for that, so it just puts in the Unicode. So the reason I have these in my Word document is when I open a file in Word, I have all of my bullet points automatically switched to these diamonds so that I can easily tell a difference between a bullet point and a mathematical multiplication dot, because I do not want them, they look very similar in print, and this way I can easily know that if it's a diamond, it came through correctly as a bullet point. However, I do not want that in Braille2000, so today we are going to set up a substitution to replace those with bullet points when we paste them in. So the way we do that is we click on Menu, Adjust, and we come down here to Substitutions and click on that. Now there's a few in here already that show you the sort of syntax for it, and these are the Unicode numbers. So this one replaces single quotes with the apostrophe, I think. They do some different things here. This one's short dash only. However, in order to use these, you've got to click on the for paste, and then you've got to select the one you want to use. Like, you could do the short dash only, or you could do the no single quotes, but you can't do both. But what you can do is you can make a new one here. We'll call it My Substitutions. And now you can put whatever you want in there. So let's see, let's copy this from the no single quotes. Go back to My Substitutions. Oh, it's gone. Let's try that again. My Substitutions. Oops, I hit enter and it closed it. So opening it back up. There it is. So now we've got My Substitutions. So we'll grab these single quotes and we'll stick them in there. And we'll grab the short dash only and we'll stick it in there. Oh, you got to hit the store button. That's what I was doing wrong. Hit the store button. And then Alt, Adjust, Substitutions was I. I always want to use the keyboard, it's faster. So, no single quotes. We're going to copy that. Go back to My, and enter, Control V, Store, and then Alt, AI. So now we've got those, so you'll probably want them too. But what I'm concerned with right now is these bullet points. So I'm going to go over to Microsoft Word, and I'm going to hit Alt X to show the Unicode for it. It's 2 666. We're going to type in x2666 equals. And now we need to know the sign for the Unicode for the bullet code. So we're going to go to Insert, Symbols, Symbol, More Symbols, and we're going to find it. And it's going to be in the Latin 1 supplement, probably. There it is right there. That's the bullet, 00B7. Okay, so now we're going to hit X, 00B7. Or we can leave the zeros out and just go XB7. Type in diamonds to bullet so we know what that is. And we'll click store. Okay, now I'm going to hit Control All and delete. And Control Home. Now we're going to go back over here. We're going to hit Control All, Control C to copy it. And back to our Braille document. Hit Control V to paste it in. And we'll wait. Use our mouse to get back to the front. And it didn't work. Oh, there's something we forgot to do. I'll adjust. And we talked about this. In order for it to work, you've got to go over to For Paste and click on the one you want. So we're going to click on My Substitutions and hit Store. Okay, now Control All, delete it, and Control Home, Control Copy, Control V. Third time's a charm, right? Okay, hit Control Home. All right, there we go. We've got the bullet points this time instead of the those funny Unicode thingamabobs. And that will have changed the other things in the My Substitutions thing that we created too. So, all right, I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.